Hello guys! Welcome to my channel. If you're a Toyota Prius owner, you know how important it is to keep up with regular maintenance. One of the most common maintenance tasks is resetting the maintenance required light after an oil change. In this guide, I'll provide expert tips and advice on resetting the maintenance light quickly and easily. So now, we'll get started here. In this first section, I'll show you how to reset the maintenance light in the 2010 to 2015 Toyota Prius Prime and Prius V. So, let's see how it's done. Step 1. Put your foot off the brake and press the power button 2 times. Step 2. Use the trip button on the steering wheel to scroll through the odometer and get it to trip A. Step 3. Press the power button once to make it off. Step 4. Now press and hold the MPH button, and then at the same time, you're going to press the power button twice again without pressing the brake. Step 5. Keep holding the MPH button while the reset is in progress until you are told the reset is complete. Now, I will tell you how to reset the 2012 to 2015 Prius C maintenance light. It's slightly different from the other Toyotas, but almost identical. So let's do it. Step 1. Turn on the ignition without starting the engine, or press the power button twice without depressing the brake pedal. Step 2. Hit the trip button until it comes on auto screen. Step 3. Turn off the car. Step 4. Now, here's the trick. Turn on the car again without starting it up, and then you're going to press the trip button 3 times, but hold it on the 3rd one. Step 5. Keep holding the trip button, and you'll see it flashing reset and counting down, then it's 0, and you're done. If you have a 2016 to 2022 Toyota Prius Prime, you can reset the maintenance light using the button on the steering wheel. So let's do it. Step 1. Press the power button twice without stepping on the brake. Step 2. Use the directional pad on the steering wheel to navigate through the menu items to the right until you get to the settings menu. Step 3. Scroll down to Vehicle Settings and press OK. Step 4. Select the option for Maintenance System. Step 5. Highlight the Oil Maintenance and press OK to enter. Step 6. Select Yes, and then your maintenance light will be reset. If you have a 2018 to 2019 Toyota Prius C, you can reset the maintenance light using the trip button on the steering wheel. So let's get right into it. Step 1. Turn on the ignition or press the power button 2 times without press the brake pedal. Step 2. Display trip A on the screen by pushing the trip button on the steering wheel. Step 3. Turn off your car. Step 4. Hold down the trip button and then turn on the ignition or press the power button 2 times again. Step 5. Keep holding it down until you see the countdown to 0. Like the previous generation, in the 2023 Toyota Prius Prime, you can reset the oil maintenance light using the button on the steering wheel. So let me guide you through the procedure. Step 1. Start up your car. Step 2. Press the left arrow button to open the side menu on the screen. Step 3. Scroll to the gear icon to access the settings menu. Step 4. Scroll all the way to the right using the arrow buttons until you reach the vehicle settings. Step 5. Hold down the OK button to enter the menu. Step 6. Scroll down and locate the oil maintenance option and select it by pressing the OK button. Step 7. Select Yes to confirm the maintenance data reset. So that's how you do it. Now, you'll be cleared to the maintenance light whenever you start the car. If you found this guide helpful, give us a thumbs up and share it with your fellow Prius owners. Don't forget to subscribe for more valuable tips. Until next time, and happy driving!